Speaking from his home in Kaibaalya, Cell, Hoima West Division, Hoima City, where he was enumerated, the Premier of Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom, Andrew Byakutaga Ateenyi, said the census will also help identify the clans in Bunyoro, which is crucial for the kingdom's leadership.
It will also help the kingdom to plan for services in the kingdom, and also to know how our people are living. The census is a very simple exercise. The questions being asked are simple and they're not complicated, and so people should not be intimidated or should not fear or should not be scared about this exercise.
According to the Hoima City Census Commissioner, Jonda Nuamanya, the exercise is progressing well despite challenges with poor network connections, which have resulted in some data not being captured.
We are working on one by one case and we are solving most of the issues there. And we hope by the close of business we shall have no problems.
Hoima City Communications Officer Melton Asimwe urges the public to take advantage of the remaining days to get enumerated.
The kingdom shows a sign of something everyone has to follow. So from onset, I want to urge everyone to ensure that he is counted, be available in your homestead so that you help government to capture your data, to ably understand the amount of people we have in the country so that we can plan accordingly.
Some enumerators in Kagadi say the tablets were faulty and could not locate places as enumeration area, in addition to the fact that they lack appointment letters, reflector aprons and transport too hard to reach areas of Lake Albert shores.
There were some missing equipment, like some t-shirts to carry our gadgets, because already it is a rainy season. So I think by next season or by the time of the next exercise, we request to be with some of these equipment in this side of our district, because we hear other districts we are given all the requirements.
Even the maps are not displaying, so those are the challenges we are facing. So we expected to start work at 8, however it was not possible. I started at 10.
Barnabas Tinkasimire, Buyaga West MP, who was the first person to be enumerated, explained the importance of census, urging people to embrace it.
First of all, you establish the number and you are able to plan for the number of people you have in the country. You establish the number of households. You are able to plan. For instance, the parish development model is based on a household model. It's a household model planning. So we would, when you know the number of also people who are in the household, you will start estimating that maybe giving them 1 million is not enough.
Meanwhile, some rural women on Lake Albert shores rejected to be counted, saying it was useless and that they were denied parish development model and other government programs which they say benefited only the rich people in the district.
Nyina bana bargu mashomero abana bandemerire sente tinzine umufakazi ejuti injili tinkombeshere nkabandi esente za muno bakazitwima.
Meanwhile, in Masindi, the National Population and Housing Census exercise started a bit late, with supervisors blaming it on logistics and technological hiccups. Masindi District Census Officer Gerard Komgisa says despite deploying enumerators in time, some of the deliverables like tablets were received late, thus delaying the whole exercise.
So another challenge we have encountered was the system showing the other sub-counties instead of the sub-county where the enumerators are. But you are trying to work on it. Some of them have been rectified and some of them are being worked on by the UBOS team.
Residents, on the other hand, woke up so early to be enumerated so that they could go on with their daily businesses.
I've been waiting home at my place to be counted. I've stayed there since morning. It is coming to actually 11. and nobody has come to my place. And I'm wondering how I'm going to stay there for the next 10 days home, waiting for those people to come and count me.
Tukumanya bali bakwisana bata tibajwale uniform tibana name tags zibayinazo hatite turamanya tutani bo benyina abo ba census abayizire tuino kutina kwa amani muno ito
tandikire late bantu zibayina abakira bingi tubayina tebamanyire tuka abuyire bunu tulamuli mu kukura.